Yeah, hi everyone. I'm Mert. I'm from Icosa Computing. We're a startup out of New York City, and we build quantum-inspired intelligence for complex decision making. So Icosa is an enabler of quantum-inspired solutions. What do I mean by that? First of all, let's talk about applications. We enable quantum-inspired optimization today, which is available today, but we're also building code and software that can run on quantum computers tomorrow. But on top of applications, what we're experts in is model tuning. We tune our models that are inputted into these optimizers to bring practical advantage today. Let me give you some examples. One of them is from NEC. We partnered with NEC to optimize 25,000 stocks at once. And we also tuned this very large portfolio. This portfolio had stocks from not just US, because there's not enough stocks, but from many different countries. And we showed that our tuning can achieve a better performance, for example, in terms of P&L. And this white paper is available. On top of that, we work with Fujitsu, another white paper, where we first showed our reasoning methods with LLMs. But more importantly, we increased the speed 100 times with Fujitsu's digital annealer, another quantum-inspired technology. And more recently, we work with NASA, USRA, and HPE, NASA's quantum AI team, to write an academic paper on explaining how the reasoning method that we developed, this quantum-inspired or combinatorial reasoning method that we developed, works, where we beat, for example, an earlier prompt optimization method from Google. And these are all available at icosacomputing.com/publications. So how does our business work? Currently, we're directly selling our tuning method, as I described, this dynamical parameter selector that we created. We note it as DPS, which brings our customers HPC solutions to real-world practice. On top of that, we have two applications where on top of a fixed fee, we also charge a performance cut. For trading, we already deployed this with customer success. We made our customers more money, and we got a cut out of that. Instead of using their methods, they used our trading technology, and they achieved better performance. Reasoning, this more recent application works directly with unstructured data. So you don't have to have structured data. We built this on top of large language models where we can get text data, for example, and get solutions out of that. And with this, we actually expanded into insurance and healthcare. We just onboarded design partners here, and we're tapping into a very large regulated industry market. So that's finance plus insurance plus healthcare, where we identified inefficiencies in decisioning. So currently, quantum industry works a lot in academia and mostly with POCs. There's a lot of amazing and interesting science going on, but it's very hard to get to practice. So on top of scaling combinations natively with the applications I just described, with physics-inspired Ising solvers, that bring us this 30x scaling advantage. So 30x more discrete variables. And this number is actually growing, as maybe you'll hear from other speakers today. But we also bring practical value to customers today with our dynamical parameter selector. And this, yes, in fact, increases performance, such as P&L or Sharpe ratio for finance customers, but also explainability of AI systems. So it actually increases the trust that a customer feels towards an AI agent, because you're seeing what's going on behind. With combinatorial reasoning, you can actually visually see the reasoning process behind the decisioning process of an AI agent. And feel free to check out our software at api.icosacomputing.com. We're raising our second round soon to build excellent enterprise SaaS, but also to host our own GPUs instead of relying on others with multiple open source large language models. We completed 2 accelerators before. One was Duality, amazing accelerator, hosted by University of Chicago, actually how we got introduced to QED-C. We also completed Creative Destruction Lab in University of Toronto, another amazing program. We also worked directly with quantum inspired and quantum computing providers. So if you're interested in bringing your solutions to practice, achieving more performance out of your amazing solutions, please reach out to us. And lastly, if you're interested on this visualization I just described on reasoning, please check out our demo, demo.icosacomputing.com, where you can see the decisioning process visually. Thank you.